Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be able to make passive income, and it's actually going to be like pretty easy. Passive income basically means you make money doing nothing. Anyways, today we're going to be using Robinhood to make this money, and I'll show you guys what I've done today. This is my first time actually investing a lot of my money, and studied a lot on this to make sure it's good chances of risk reward, like I'm gonna get something in return. So let's hop into it and I'll show you guys what I did. Alright, so we're here in Robinhood, and as you can see I have about $137. I put it into Robinhood from my bank account, and now I can do whatever with any stocks. So basically I looked up the best dividend stocks, and I watched some videos on what people thought were the best in 2020. So as you can see here, this one, it's a mid-cap stock, so it's kind of cheap, but all of these stocks have a really good dividend yield. Basically, a dividend is when you make money on a company you own, depending on how many shares you own. So right now I own about $36 in this company. The dividend yield is 14%, so I'm going to make, I don't know, I think it's like 20 cents or something like that. I'm just guessing because I don't know math. But all these stocks together, I'm going to be making about $13 a year with my $130 investment. Now, it sounds really small, but everyone starts small. If you had $10,000 in this account, you would be making you could be making $1,000 a year and $100 a month. So it just depends on how much you put into the account and how much you're getting in return, and that's just on dividends. So the stocks also gain. These are monthly dividends, so I get paid monthly based on me owning the stock. But besides dividends, I also make money on gains. That means the stock goes up, I make money; stock goes down, I lose money. But dividends is an add-on to that. So far today, I've already made, right here you can see 54 cents. I've already made 54 cents today, which is more than all the dividends I'll make this month, which is kind of funny. But you'll make that on top of dividends, so that's really good. When I have more money, I'm going to be putting in more in my portfolio because it's better to be diverse. So if one company fails, which is unlikely with these companies, but if one company does fail, you're not going to lose all your money. If you guys want to join in on this Robinhood app, it's free commissions, and there's no minimum account balance, so you can put in literally $1 and start investing. So it's pretty fun. If you guys have $10, it's just like buying a video game. Just do it. It's fun and it's educational. If you join through my link in the description, you'll get one free stock. And basically what that does is you get free money. So everyone likes free money, and all you have to do is sign up for Robinhood and you get free money. So basically, let's say you want to deposit $1 into Robinhood, you'll get a free stock. My first free stock was about $3, but you can get one up to, I think it's $1,000. I mean, why not do it? It's free money. You can also play around with that stock. You'll make dividends on that stock, so it's basically free to start making money. So links in the description if you want to sign up for Robinhood. Highly recommended. Even if you just want to mess around with the stock market, it's a good thing to get into, especially if you're young. Anyways, I just wanted to introduce to you guys that I'm actually investing in dividend stocks now, and I'm pretty hyped because it's good to get into early for my future. And like, if you have, like, imagine if you save like every year, like let's say you make $100,000 a year. Let's say in 10 years you take 10,000 and put it in, you'll be making exponential gains on just dividends. If you had $100,000, you'd be making 1,000 every month, I believe. If you make 100,000 times, I think like 14,000 a year. Yeah, you'd be making like $1,000 a month if you invest 100,000 into it. But anyways, I just wanted to introduce you guys who don't know about Robinhood. I don't know, this video is kind of a mess, but I just wanted to put it out there. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Again, use my link in the description to sign up for Robinhood. It's a free stock, it's free money. You can start investing for free. Yeah, I know a couple of you guys were interested in doing it, so I highly recommend it. I think that's it. Peace out, guys.